how to English dub on Crunchyroll app. So hello everybody, I'm back with a new video on how to use basics, and today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to English dub on Crunchyroll account. So let's just directly dive into the video. First of all, go ahead and open your Crunchyroll app. After you do that, you will be entering the home screen. Now all you have to do is go ahead and type on browse, which is at the bottom middle, and then go ahead and tap on that little side of consecutive lines on the language. As you can see, the option of dubbed, so all you have to do is go ahead and check on the circle and then tap on update filters. Just like that, all your videos in Crunchyroll app will now be dubbed into English. So that's how quick and easy it was. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for yourself. Soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.